Did you know that we think over 60,000 thoughts a day? And did you know that most of those thoughts are the same ones we thought yesterday and the day before and the day before? And did you know that most of those thoughts are usually negative? Did you know that our subconscious mind never rests? It's always awake. Our conscious mind falls asleep, is dormant at night, and our subconscious mind takes over. And did you know that our subconscious mind regulates everything, our heartbeat, our whole organ system? Did you know that our subconscious mind does not know the difference between positive and negative thoughts? It just accepts it as one. So when you are thinking that something's not going to work and you keep telling yourself it's not going to work, it then becomes your reality. Imagine understanding your thoughts and knowing how to control the 60,000 thoughts you think every single day. Imagine how that would make a difference in your life. Imagine being able to get rid of all the overwhelming and complex thoughts you have in order to have a stress-free life and organize your thoughts more effectively. Well, you don't have to imagine anymore, because in this video, I'm going to show you 6 ways to creatively control your thoughts. Hang in there, don't go away. Hi, I'm Dr. Ken from Attract Freedom, and today we want to talk about controlling your thoughts effectively. But before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to this channel so that way when I have more videos like this, you'll be the first to be notified. Let's get started. The first thing we want to do is create a long-term plan. We can easily become overwhelmed if we don't have a plan. Creating a long-term plan, also a short, medium, and long-term plan, can easily put us on the path that we want to have. By having a set plan, your mind will be less cluttered and you can put all your thoughts into different lists. Creating goals and fulfilling them gives you a sense of achievement. Setting goals allows you to feel in control. You can set time frames in which you want to achieve them. Tip number 2, prioritize your tasks. This should help free up your mind and stop everything from seeming as though it needs to be tackled at once. Consider the most pressing thoughts in your head and write them down. Identify how you will deal with each thought. Decide which thoughts can be tackled immediately, which need a bit more time, and consider how you can ease your worries by tackling ideas and concerns one at a time. The brain responds well to lists and logic. Take your thoughts and turn them into logical and achievable goals. Tip number 3, create a mind map. I remember the first time I created a mind map. That was when I was about 16 or 17 years old. I was living in Germany at that time. And then I traveled to London and I bought this book in a bookstore in London. And I don't know, I just felt attracted to this book. It was a book by Tony Buzan. If you look up Tony Buzan, you'll find his books. He was one of the first pioneers of mind mapping. And the whole concept of mind mapping is taking the whole and breaking it into parts. If I say cell phone, you don't see the word cell phone, you see the picture of a cell phone. So the brain thinks in pictures, and it uses the way the brain thinks logically to process things. It goes from a central pattern and it breaks out into branches. It's the most logical way to use your brain. Often our lives are so chaotic, it's a good idea to write the thoughts down and organize them. We humans are largely visual beings, so having a clear representation of our thoughts allows us to organize them more easily. Put your thoughts, worries, and concerns on a mind map. Add different colors for various sections of your life. One could be money worries, and another could be long-term goals. Another could be a food shopping list. Mind maps should be colorful and visually pleasing. Use highlighters, put thoughts in boxes, and get your ideas down. Just let your thoughts spill onto the paper. Another cool tip is to invest in a whiteboard. There isn't a one-size-fits-all approach when it comes to whiteboards to organizing your thoughts. Consider investing in a whiteboard. Write down your thoughts each day and uniquely decorate the board and wipe away the thoughts when they're no longer needed. Write down your most pressing thoughts in one color, things you must do at a later date in another, and perhaps ideas and concepts that have popped into your head in a third color. By writing things down in different colors and then wiping away the different thoughts at different times, your brain will visually organize your thoughts and you will see a sense of achievement when each task is achieved or each thought wiped away. Try it out. You'll like it. The 5th tip is to delegate where possible. There is no shame in telling others about your troubles. Discuss your thoughts with others. Prioritize what needs to be tackled first, and if necessary, ask others to help out. If you have many tasks to do and it feels overwhelming, delegate. Ask friends to help you tackle your workload and speak to others about how you feel. It will lighten the load and make you feel more in control. Thoughts don't have to consume you. Sometimes we just need to take time out for ourselves and reflect on how we can simplify thoughts in our racing minds. By writing down our thoughts and putting them in order of priority, we can achieve a sense of calm in our minds and take back control. Remember this, the bonus tip, clutter. Clutter in is the same as clutter out. If your environment is cluttered, your mind is going to be cluttered. So keep your environment clean and you'll be surprised how your thoughts will be better organized. This is Dr. Ken from Attract Freedom. Please leave your comments below if it resonated with you. And even if it didn't, also leave your comments below. What other thoughts could you add to this? What other tips could you add to this? You were born to make a difference. Set mind to purpose. You're more powerful than you think.